Hey guys, Miata Man here, and today we're exploring a 1990 Miata that has a park issue with the windshield wipers. Whenever you turn them off at the switch or at the stock, they just stop wherever they want on the windshield. Now, 90% of the time, that is related to the park function inside the wiper motor, which is right here. We swapped it out with another one that we knew was good, and the problem persisted. So that did not fix it. So we still had the problem where these wipers would just stop wherever they wanted to when that switch was turned off. So the next step was to figure out where else it could be. So we came into the car and removed the steering wheel, the clamshell that goes around the steering wheel, and we changed out the combination switch. This whole assembly here is the combination switch, and the wiper stock here has a relay inside the combination switch that, as far as I know, isn't replaceable. So as soon as we swapped out this, everything works perfectly again. So if you have that problem, it's most likely your wiper motor, and in some cases, maybe 10%, something like that, it's the combination switch itself. So you have to try and find yourself a used one of these guys here. So I hope that helps you out, guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. Have a great day.